Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn to connect Todoist to Google Calendar and add new events to Todoist. So imagine this, you have created a new event in Google Calendar. Let's say the event name is Interview with John. So you have scheduled this event on 21st of May. So to create a backup of this data, you have planned to create a task in Todoist. Now here you have two choices. The first choice is you can copy all the details of John from Google Calendar and manually create a task in Todoist. This process is very repetitive and tiresome. So I suggest that you bring in some automation so that when a new event is created in Google Calendar, it will automatically create a task in Todoist. Now in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Google Calendar and Todoist. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so we will begin with a small example. So this is my Google Calendar, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create an event in Google Calendar. So I'm creating an event for May 5th. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is let me just add some task. Okay, so the title of the event is interview with John. Okay, so just a random name, and I'm going to bring along with me Tony Stark. TonyStark123@gmail.com. Okay, so this is the person that I will be tagging along with, and let me just click on save to create an event. Okay, so don't send. Okay, so an event has been created for May 5th, and the event name is Interview with John. So let's have a look in Todoist. Do we have a task called as Interview with John? So let me just refresh this. Okay, yes, we do have a task called as Interview with John. So basically this is what we are planning to do. Anytime a new event is created in Google Calendar, it will be reflected as a task in Todoist. Now to begin the actual integration process, first of all, just type pabbly.com in your browser, pabbly.com. So basically we will be using an app called as Pabbly Connect to integrate Google Calendar and Todoist. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So just scroll down and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access Now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, Create Workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as Google Calendar to Todoist. Google Calendar to Todoist. Okay, I'm sorry about the spelling. Todoist. Okay, so let me just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Google Calendar? Google Calendar it is. Google Calendar, yeah, the first one. Okay. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new event? So new event is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new event is made in Google Calendar, then what action should be taken by the system? Now we have many trigger events like new calendar, event started, and so on. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build a trigger event for you. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new event is created in trigger event. So let me just click on connect with Google Calendar. In the new credentials, let me just click on connect with Google Calendar. Okay, so these are the series of Gmail accounts I have, and this particular Google Calendar is located here. So I'm just selecting this account. Okay, so now Pabbly Connect is asking me to confirm my choice. So before I click on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So let me just click on allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. So as you can see in the trigger window, we have a blank called as calendar, and when we expand this, we have in the drop up all the calendars that is present in my Google Calendar account. So these are all the calendars that is present in my Google account. So when all the calendar that is present here is just being simply reflected here. So what if I create a new calendar? So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create a new calendar. Okay, so let me just create a new calendar. Okay, so the name of the calendar is, let's say, Todoist task calendar. Just a random name that's popping in my head, that's all. And let me just click on create a calendar. Okay, so the calendar creation is in progress. Okay, so the calendar has been created. So let's have a look. So let me just remove the checkbox. So this is the calendar, okay, Todoist task calendar. So when I go back to Pabbly Connect, okay, and when I refresh this, I can expect to find the newly created calendar in the drop down. So this is the calendar, Todoist task calendar, okay. So my point is very clear. Any variation that is brought here will be reflected here because Pabbly Connect is now integrated with Google Calendar. Okay, so when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the recently created event. I repeat again, when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the recently created event. So let me do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, the API response is showing 0, basically nil value, because this is a newly created calendar and we don't have any value at this point. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go back, okay, and I'm going to make an appointment. Okay, so let me just create an event, let's say on May 21st, or if you want you can just go to the previous month, or how about we go with April 22, no specific reason. Okay, so we are going to create an event. So the name is interview with Mark Hamill, okay, one of my favorite actors. So we are going to have an interview with him, and I will be tagging along Scarlett Johansson 123@gmail.com. Okay, so let me just click on save. Okay, don't send. Okay, so an interview has been scheduled with Mark Hamill. So let me go to Pabbly Connect, and when I click on refresh, I can expect to find this recently created event in the API response. So let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, this time we do have the API response. So the summary is interview with Mark Hamill, and the person who has created this event is basically me. This is my email address, and the person I will be tagging along is Scarlett Johansson. Excellent. So basically we have got all the details. So what we are going to do here is we are going to create a task from all the data in Todoist. Now to create a task in Todoist is actually pretty easy. Let me just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So now in the choose app, how about we make it as Todoist? Okay, so how about we select an action event? So the action event I'm going with is create a task. Okay, so create a task is an action event. There are many more action events like create a project, update a project, delete a task, and so on. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now, just like the triggers, if you have trouble finding the action event according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, we are just going to create a task in Todoist. So let me just click on connect with Todoist. In the new credentials, we have to fill in the token. So to fill in the token, let's have a visit to Todoist. So this is my Todoist account. Okay, so you already know this. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on my home. Okay, so this is my home page, and here you will find settings. Click on settings. Okay, so in the settings, you will find the option called as integrations. Click this. Okay, so let me just scroll down, and this is the API token you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the API token. So let me just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to create a task in Todoist from the data that we have received from Google Calendar via Pabbly Connect. So before we start mapping, there are some things I need to show you. For example, we have the project ID and it is showing it as inbox. When we expand this, we have a drop down, and in the drop down, we will find all the projects that is present in my Todoist account. So let me just take you to my Todoist account and show you all the projects we have. So these are all the projects that we have. So all the projects that is present here is being simply reflected here. Okay, so what we are going to do here is I'm going to create a new project. Okay, so I'm going to create a new project for this specific task, that is the data from Google Calendar. Okay, so the name of the project is Google Calendar, and we are going with the list version. How about we change the color as violet, and let me just click on add. Okay, so we have made a task called as Google Calendar, project called as Google Calendar. I'm sorry, it's project called as Google Calendar. And let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me just refresh this. Okay, so when I click on refresh, I can expect to find the newly created task, newly created project in the drop down. So let's explore. So yes, we do have the project called as Google Calendar. So basically, we are planning to create a task in this particular project, that is Google Calendar. Now in the content, we are just going to click here and we are going to click map in the details. So the content is interview with Mark Hamill, and in the human rebel representation of the due date, we are just going to click here and we are just going to map in the date. So the date is this one, we have mapped it. The priority, I'm just keeping it as natural. Okay, so when I click on save and send test request, I can expect to create a new task in Todoist. So let me just do that. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent. So let's have a look. Yes, we do have a task called as interview with Mark Hamill. Excellent. So the presence of this data shows that we have successfully integrated Google Calendar and Todoist with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check the integration? Now, there is something else before we end this. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to minimize all my action window as well as the trigger window. So I'm just going to explain you one more thing, that is how the mechanism works. So this is how it works. We have integrated Google Calendar to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Todoist. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Google Calendar and Todoist. Excellent.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.